I am sure that you are also going through the same phase, maybe struggling to find a job, dealing with a mixed of love life, or maybe waiting for the right time to come in your life. Or maybe just before watching my video, you were busy to stalk the Facebook profile of your ex and you just saw that he or she is happy without you, and just because of that you are kind of emotionally messed up right now. So I am not here to give you any advice that do this, do that, do meditation, do yoga to get rid of this. But here I just want to make you feel a little bit better, to let you know that you are not alone in this journey. Those who are at their 20s, maybe at their early 20s, or maybe at their late 20s, they are also hustling, they are also going through the same phase that you are going through right now. So no need to think that only your life is bad, only you are ruining your life. No, everyone is ruining our life together. So it is another, you can say, a live talk video. And if you don't know me, then hi, I am Trina. I make videos about lifestyle, productivity, self-development, and a lot more things that I have experienced in my life. And from my life experience, from my learning, I have discovered a formula that is AMS formula. You will not find this AMS term in Google. That is basically my discovery, presented by Trina Biswas. So basically the lessons that I have learned from my life, or maybe still I am learning a lot of things, and from that I have discovered one formula, that is AMS formula. And what is AMS formula? To know that, you need to watch the video till the end. So I am trying so hard to shoot the rest of the video here, but unfortunately I can't because of the noises. So I need to change the place. So did you notice that I was trying to shoot outside, but there was so much noises that I could not shoot outside. That is why I had to shift my place here. So what did I learn from this? What did we learn from this? That accept the fact, yes, if I try to shoot outside, there will be some obstacles. So that is like a reality, that is a fact, and we need to accept that. And that takes me to the first point, or maybe I can say the first letter of that AMS formula, that is A for acceptance. Accept whatever you are going through right now. I don't know what you are going through right now, but it may be career problem, it may be some health problem, it may be relationship problem. So at our 20s, this phase, we think that no one understands us. Basically, it is true, right? We want something else from our life, and our parents tell us to do something else with our life, and we think that our parents, they don't understand us, our boyfriend or girlfriend, they don't understand us. Basically, no one understands us, and universe is just against us. So it is not only your thinking, but whoever at the 20s, even me, I also think like that. And there are days, and I sometimes feel that that is like the worst phase of my life, but no, that is the best phase of our life. You know why? Because we are going through something and we are hustling in our life so much, and that is actually building our character. And if you escape from the reality, if you escape from the fact that you are going through right now, you will never know how to face the reality. You always have that fear to face that reality. I always thought that maybe only I am going through this kind of problem, but after that, when I started looking outside, I saw a lot of people, a lot of friends, they are also going through the same problem. It is not only you who is having arguments with your parents. I also have arguments with my parents. I have also spent a lot of sleepless night. Yes, that is a very personal thing that I am sharing with you. I just want to make you realize that you are not alone in this journey. We are all going through this. So if I can go through this, so can you. So I was trying to reach out to one of my friend, but he's not picking up his call. It was urgent, but anyway, I have to find some alternatives. And for now, let's concentrate on this video. So what did I learn from this? We learned to move on. So that takes me to the next point, or the next letter of that AMS formula, aim for move on. Now let's discuss about this move on kind of thing by sitting here, okay? After you start accepting the reality, it is your time to move on and let go to those things that is not serving your purpose. So in our early 20s, you will observe that we have the attachment works for us really first, and we get obsessed to those people who actually does not value us. We get obsessed to those people who are emotionally unavailable. And if you ask me that did you, yes, I also did. And we worry so much that why this person is not giving us reply, why he not, or maybe she not picking up our call. And this is a problem that I have seen inside me and also inside a lot of people who are at their 20s, that we always try to seek validation from those person who ignores us. Actually, we always try to seek validation to those person who are emotionally unavailable to us. Otherwise, we think that we are not worthy enough. That is why we always try to seek validation from that particular person. And it's not applicable only for a particular person, but also it is also applicable in case of career. So sometimes we have a dream job and we work so hard to get that job. We make our perfect CV, or maybe prepare ourselves so well for that particular special day, that is our interview day, but still we got rejected and we find that we are not worthy enough. Know that one rejection does not define your worth. Basically, there is nothing like rejection. Basically, it is redirection. I don't know if you believe in universe or not. I have already made a video about law of attraction. I am so much passionate about the topic law of attraction. I have told before in my video a lot of time. I don't know if you believe in God or maybe in universe, but I do believe in universe a lot. Universe is basically an energy that always tries to communicate with you. And if you can't understand hard language, it is your problem, but universe is always on your side, by your side. And she always tries to communicate with you. See, universe is not a human. I am a human, and if I have any message that I want to convey to the world, I have a YouTube channel, I make video, and by speaking I convey my message towards the world. So I don't give signal or anything. I can speak, I speak, but universe can't speak. Universe is not a human. That is why universe always gives signal to you, and you need to catch those signal, and you need to move on with your life through catching those signals. You know, if something is rejecting you, if a particular person is rejecting you, then don't waste your time over there. Take this signal from the, so you can think that universe is trying to communicate with you through this, and this is your lesson. You need to learn those lessons as fast as possible and move on with your life. Don't waste your time over there. Move on with your life, and you will see that a lot of endless opportunities are already waiting for there. And now let's move on to the next point. Okay, now I'm going to share something really personal right now. The last week I was so demotivated. I broke down emotionally so badly. I was carrying a lot of emotional burden inside me, and that is why I was really demotivated to shoot videos for my channel. But then one thought strike in my mind, that is, why did I start all of this? I did not start all of this to just quit. There are bad days in our life, okay? Every day will not be good days, and don't be selfish that you will only enjoy the good days in your life, but you will not face the bad days in your life. Bad days are actually the good days that forms your character. That forms your character. So basically, you want to be successful in your life, but if your character is not strong, you will not be able to handle that success. So it is important to go through those bad days to finally enjoy your success, or maybe to finally hold on to your success. Okay, so that is basically I'm speaking about the third thing of that aim is formula, that is start again. A lot of time in your 20s you will fail. A lot of time you will think that, okay, I was planning to do this, but why did I fail? It's okay to fail. If you don't fail, then who will fail? And a lot of people are there, they just give up after failing on a particular thing. But don't be that people you need to start all over again from zero. A lot of time in my life it happened, or maybe it is happening, that I have to start again everything from zero. But I am not afraid of that. I am not afraid of hustling in my life. I don't know, maybe after 3 to 4 years, when I will rewatch this video again, maybe I will achieve something, maybe not, definitely I will achieve something in my life, and then I will rewatch this video again, and I want to make that future Trina proud of this Trina, that yeah, she is struggling, she is hustling, and yeah, just it's, you know, I don't want validation from any other person, but I definitely want validation from future Trina, who will be very proud of me when she will watch this video 3 to 4 years, after 3 to 4 years. So yeah, I want also you to do the same thing that I am doing. It's not a fairy tale, right? I'm not going through a fairy tale. I am struggling with a lot of things. Maybe I'm not sharing this currently in front of camera, and believe me, if you understand me or not, right now I am at my lowest, but still I managed to shoot this video, to film this video, because I don't want to miss upload, because consistency is important for YouTube channel, and I don't want to miss that. That is why I'm shooting this video, but I'm at my lowest right now. So now we are at the end of this video, and at the end I just want to give you one advice, one small advice, that is trust your intuition. Your gut feelings are never wrong. Okay, I'm sweating. I'm not crying, I'm sweating. Trust your intuition. If your inner self is if your inner self is guiding to do something, do it. It is always comes out to be true. So do it, and don't be afraid of anything. It's your life, and just live your life as your own terms. You don't need to compare yourself, okay, with anyone. And we are at the end of this video right now. If you have liked the video, then you know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe my channel, guys. A lot of people, you basically visit my channel to watch my videos, but you are not subscribing. Why? Subscribe, it is free, and motivate me to make more videos, and I will come back with you with another interesting video. So till then check out my other videos. Bye bye.